Welcome to Shopify Dropshipping course for beginners part 3. My name is Muqtadi Chaudhry. This video is going to be exciting one, guys, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to register on Shopify, and I'm going to get you create your first Shopify e-commerce store. So without any delay, let's get started. So before you go and create our Shopify online store, let's look at the different plan which Shopify allows us to have. There's basic, Shopify, and advanced, and the features for each of them. So let's quickly go through the features for each of the different plans. So the first feature is online store, which is supported by all three plans. Then it's unlimited product. You could have unlimited product added to all three plans. Staff accounts. So if you add more than one person to your Shopify store, it's supported across all three plans as well. 24/7 support, which is also supported across all three plans. Sales channels. So if you want to make sales directly from other marketplaces or social media, that's also supported across all three plans. Manual order creation is also supported across three plans. Discount orders also created across all three plans. Free SSL certificates also supported across all three plans, which is very important, and I expect it to be supported because if you're doing any sort of payment, you must have SSL certificate on your website. So that is also supported, which is good. Abandoned cart recovery, that's also supported across all three plans, basic, Shopify, and advanced. That's if when people come to your store and add your product to the cart and forget to do the purchase, what you could do is you could look at the abandoned recovery card stats, and then you could follow up with an email asking them to come back to your store and make the purchase. So that's very good feature to have across all three plans. Gift card is only supported on the Shopify and Advanced plan. Our professional report is only supported on the Shopify and Advanced plan. And third-party calculated shipping rate is only supported on the Advanced plan. Fraud analysis is supported across all three plans. If you're doing any sort of payment, credit card payment on your Shopify store, then with the basic one, you get 2.2% charge plus 20 pence. With the Shopify plan, you get 1.9% plus 20p charge, and for the advanced, you get 1.6% plus 20p charge. If you do in-person credit card rate, that's if you're a physical store, you get these are the charges for them across the three plans. And if you do any additional fee using all payment providers other than Shopify payments, then these are the charge. And then hardware free for support, which is only supported in the Shopify and Advanced plan. And unlimited Shopify EPOS staff pin is only supported in Shopify and Advanced plan. And so guys, as you can see, majority of the stuff you need are supported across all three plans. If you're new to Shopify and this is the first time you're following Shopify and following my course, then go with the $29 per month plan, guys, because this will give you everything you need to get your store up and running and make money. You don't need Shopify or Advanced straight away. You could utilize their features later on as your store grows and you become big. Then you could always jump from basic to Shopify. It's not like you're stuck to this plan. If you just buy basic plan, you just stuck to basic plan. You could always move around, guys. So start off with the $29 a month basic plan,